This weekend, I'm meeting my family in New Orleans. I've never been to New Orleans before, so there's no telling what kind of culture I'm gonna get to see, the foods I'm gonna get to eat. I'm looking forward to it. I'm about to hit the road now. I'll see y'all in a little bit. I just made it here to the hotel. There they are. Happy birthday, bro. A little late. My mom, she's excited to see me. She just doesn't want to admit it. He's for sure excited to see me. Ask the birthday boy. Yesterday. By the time you watch this video, it'll be like 3 weeks ago. Well, that's my family. We're here at New Orleans, hamburger and seafood.
Oh, thank you for this food. It's great.
So we're here at the New Orleans hamburger and seafood company. I'll just kind of tell you what I got. I got fries, catfish, hush puppies, coleslaw. I got the sweet tea. I'm determined the sweet tea is a little over mediocre. I mean, I'm okay with it. I'm happy with it. Alright. I'm really not the biggest catfish eater, but I really like this. I really enjoy this. It's salty, it's tasty. There's lots of seasoning to it, but it's not too strong. The catfish is good. The fries is good. The hush puppies are good. The bread's a little too hard for me. I like the soft bread. And then I'm not even gonna worry about the coleslaw because I mean, who really wants to review coleslaw? As far as this whole meal goes, 9.2. 9.2. All right, so we just got to a place to hike in New Orleans, and there's a geocache in here that we're gonna go get. Geocache is like a thing where someone can hide something, like a surprise or something, and you can go and find it through the app. So we're gonna go look for this geocache while we're on this hike. Cool looking trail. And they've got a couple routes. You know my strategy when it comes to which route to take. Of course, I'm gonna go where my family's going, but typically you go the route that looks less like a route. Wow, this is actually really nice. I like this. Dude, anytime you have to duck in a trail, you know you're at a good trail. I'm gonna find this thing before they do, that's for sure. I've yet to search for stuff, geocaches with them, and not find it first. They trying to play tricks on me. They said, hey, it's right here. And I'm on catch them walking. Oh, you still got 200 feet. Oh, so I was looking for an immunity idol. Right in this little place is where I would want to stick my hand. That's not it, is it? It straight up says geocache. Being for real? Well, the winner is Mark. This time, there's a button. Wasn't anything exciting in this one, but Mark gets to sign his name on a dang geocache. You haven't been? Huh. Maybe you don't get to sign your name. And the winner, signing that geocache. Less than 100 feet. This is really anybody's game at this point. I mean, it's like, literally could be anywhere. Come on, tell me that's it. That's it, ain't it? That's it. Let's go! go. Come on, baby. 1-to-1, big boy. 1-to-1. Come on, 1-to-1. Official geocache. We in.
You gonna film this?
It's content. I had to tell. They had to know while you're out of this competition right now. Neither one of us has found it. It's anybody's game. Well, he found it. Overcame the adversity. Got some leg problem or something. Probably got bit by a spider while we were
That wasn't it.
going through some.
Pretty sure it's just a cramp.
Bro, just go with it. Just go.
You're right. I definitely got bit by a spider.
And he topped it out, and now he found the geocache, and now he's up 2-1. It's disappointing. He was literally limping, and he still beat me. All right, just finished that little hike. Some nice little trail here. I enjoyed it. Mark beat me in the geocaching, finding, unfortunately. But now we're gonna go to some city park. Putt Putt. I haven't played Putt Putt in a bit. I usually win. Actually, I don't. My dad usually wins, but not today. Not today. We're here at the Putt Putt course thing, and we're gonna go play some Putt Putt. Dad, you think you're gonna beat me? Probably so. I've got the orange ball. Mom's got the green. Dad's got the red. Mark's got the blue. Let's go. First hole should be nice, easy, simple hole. Mark's gonna go for that hole in one. Oh. Oh my. No, no. Ew. I told y'all, he's oddly enough pretty good at this. Oh! Dude, that couldn't get any more!
No, never mind. I guess you did. You got me 6.
6. Why do I suck at this? Oh. How did this not go out, bro? Like, you're so lucky. I'm losing pretty bad. Not doing that good. But yeah, that's how it's going right now. We're on hole 4, and I'm probably in last place. Hole 1, baby. Let's go.
He's so far behind, it doesn't matter. Not that I can get it in anyways.
4. 5. I never said I was any good at this. James Harden, if you're watching, Mr. Pointers. Or Wade Simmons, you could probably help too. That's the hole in one. That's the hole in one.
No, it's not.
I usually do good on the crazy hole. Oh man. It's still rolling. It's Nice shot. I'm in last place. Currently, I got 37 points. I'm pretty sure Mark's in first with how many? 28. Yep, you see, that's a bigger numbers the winner, right? So big numbers, right?
No.
I think it's that way. That's it, man. Bounce off that rock.
Why are you going this way?
Just, it looked fun. Mark's still in the lead. He's going for that hole in one. And he got it.
Coming out.
Yeah, it is. It's coming out. Wait for it. It's coming. It's coming out. Hole in one. All right, let me show you how to get real hole in one. Did that kid get a hole in one?
Yeah, a kid's already showing Matthew up. This one or up? He's going up here. He can't even get into this hole. Okay, he's going this way. And he can't even get through that way. Here he goes. He's gonna roll back down. This is oh my goodness.
And that's how y'all do it. Oh my gosh, what the heck, bro? How in the world? All right, I don't even know how he did that.
You mean a four?
She's going for a game-winning shot. She's gonna need a two. I'm about to say, I don't know how my family be hitting these shots. Ooh. It's the last hole, and then we're gonna tally up the scores. I'm pretty sure I might win this. I'm close. It's gonna come down to this hole. It's gonna come down to this last hole. What do you do when you're down and you need to win in mini golf? You Happy Gilmore.
Funny thing is, you can't really even see him. You gotta reach it. 5, 6. You just got 6. 6. At least you made it into the hole and didn't have to pick it up.
Maybe this will work. All right, let's tally up the score. See who won. I'm nervous. I think it was close.
All right, last place. It's Matthew, 38.
Wait. There's gotta be, wait, hold on. There's gotta be.
The two.
Oh, wait, I forgot to add. Hang on.
Okay. Okay, I knew there was no way I only got 38.
Yeah, he ended with 30. Like,
I had to get like 100 something.
yeah.
That's what I was going for.
All right, here we go.
Hopefully 100 flat.
Not good.
All right, who got last place?
Last place is still Matthew.
Let's go! Yes, go! Yes! Wait.
75.
Wait. Oh, 75. That's a good even number.
All right.
Not even.
It's multiple 5, Mark.
Third place is Dad with 66.
Wah, wah, wah. Ain't even here.
But I'm in second place with 60, and Mark is the big winner with 56.
Boom! What you gotta say to the camera, Mark?
I knew I'd win. Clearly the best out of us. That's all I have to say.
What do you have to say about your competitors?
Those two are good. They're good competition.
Those two, you're up against 3.
Yeah, those two. I know.
But you were up against 3.
Yeah, I know I'm up against 3, but those two. Those two are good competition.
What about the third one?
Leave it or take it.
Look at that high number. That's what I'm talking about.